Hi, in this lesson, you're going to be solving some mysteries. You're going to be looking at some pictures of places in Massachusetts and some places in other states, and you're going to be trying to figure out how the Earth formed the way it is. You're going to learn everything that you already know about erosion, sediment moving from one place to another, and weathering, the breaking of rock, and then you're going to use the clues in the picture to try to figure out what kind of weathering or erosion was happening to create this structure. The fun thing is that a lot of these are pictures that I've taken in while we've been in distance learning, when I've gone hiking with my family. So a lot of the pictures are from parks right in Boston near some of our Brook campuses, or they're very close and you can drive to them within like 45 minutes. So you could try to see if you could go to find any of these. You can also look in your very own neighborhood. You might see examples of roots breaking apart rocks, or you might find examples of where something looks like it's been worn down by sand, or finding some soil that came out of someone's garden and ran downhill. If you find any examples on your own, you can take a picture of them and text them to your teacher or email them to your teacher, because they would love to see those. Okay, so I'm going to now tell you what the code is before I get to the rest. The code for this video is going to be pink, the color pink. So you'll write that in at the end of the lesson. Now we get to our writing. It says, what caused this rock to crack? Whether and is it weathering or erosion? Well, right away, I see that it says rock is cracking. So I know that this is an example of weathering. So I'm going to say this weathering is caused by, and I'm looking in the picture there, I see this root going into that crack. I'm going to say this weathering is caused by a tree root. And then I'm going to say that I know that when the tree root is in there, the crack is going to get bigger. So I'm going to say, as the root grows, the crack gets wider and wider. Okay, so when I stop this video, what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to try to write your own sentences about this. You need to show whether it's weathering or erosion, and then you need to say about the process of how that crack formed. Then you're going to go down and you're also going to answer this question about how the crack formed in this rock. And then I will be back with you again to check your work.